She's round, she's tilted, and she is blue. She gets hot, she gets cold, and icy too. She spins and goes around the sun and tags the moon along just for fun. She gives us air, water, and the food we eat. The plants, the animals, and the birds that tweet. For the mountains, rivers, deserts, and seas, fruits, vegetables, and honey from the bees. For the fishes, forests, and the great wild, I thank Mother Earth, nature's most precious child.